Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming. In this video, we will show how to formulate labels in ggplot2 packages in R. So when you use ggplot2 packages, ggplot functions, you can use labs function to formulate labels, which include axis, legends, title, subtitle, and caption. For example, in this function ggplot, the more contains first set the data and the mapping for the x is years and y is salary, and the color for shape and the line type for different observations. Then after we have set the ggplot and smooth function for the line and ggplot, we can use breaks for x and y labels and with a $sign. Then we just focus on these three items for the labels with the title and the subtitle and the caption. So next we will show how to do it in RStudio. So first we load library ggplot2 and we set the working directory and read and a CSV file to create a data frame called income. Then we set several variables of income as fetch type. So we show this data frame about 200 observations with salary, education, race, gender, region, married, years, age, and job type. So next we will plot a figure which will show the relationship between years and salary of this data frame. So ggplot data is income this data frame. The mapping AES, which means we will plot relationship between years and y. So x is years and y is salary. Then we set the color is gender, shape also gender, line type also gender. So inside AES, these three option means we will use different values for the gender, female or male, for different observations, female and male, with the different color, shape, and the line type. So we plus next in this function is ggplot function with alpha level 0.7. So this is a ggplot. So ggplot for x is y, x is years, and y is salary. Then we add smooth line with the method linear regression. So this line will be added on the ggplot. Then scale x continuous and scale y continuous will set the break for x and y axis, and with the label for the y with a symbol. So next, scale color menu, we set two axes, horizontal and vertical, with different color. Then first rep job will put subplots based on different values of job types. Next is the lab, which we'll focus in this video. Lab with the title, relationship between years of experience and salary, and with the subtitle, a YouTube course. And with the caption is usually for the source, for link, and X and Y is for label, and with the color, and shape. Then in the end, we add a theme, black, white, and white for total appearance. So we run this together. So you can see different job type has been plotted in the sub-figure in this one figure. And this is the title, this is the subtitle, and this is the caption. And observations for the female and the male in each subplot have been identified with different color, shape, and size for the observations. And this is a linear regression line, smooth line, for each type of gender. And for the Y label with dollar symbol, X label, and this is the legend for the female and the male. You can also download the source files from this GitHub link, and more videos will be uploaded later on YouTube. Thanks for watching and subscribing our channel.